Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna make a menu for our game. So in the previous video we did this platforms, and then if you stand on the red platform, this right here, it's gonna fall or disappear in 3 seconds. So if you go, there's the time, you can set more like 10, or I don't know what you can set whatever you want from time. So I'm gonna set it on 3 seconds. So what we are going to do today is, how I told you, menu for the game. So I did this start menu. I called the game Cube. I don't have any name, and you can see there's a start button, but we did nothing, just I add these, and it's like this. So we go to games, gonna be like this. So we're gonna open our menu. So we will write this in the previous video, and what we are going to do is go back to Unity file build settings. So I did this already. Where what we are going to do is drag game menu first, and then drag the game. So it's gonna be like this. First thing is the game menu, and then the game. So we're gonna click on X and then go back to the menu. So I mean to the script, sorry, and we can just write this, and it's gonna be okay. So we're gonna go to start button, and we're gonna hit on this plus button. So we're gonna drag the game menu. You didn't make, I think. So what you're gonna do is just right click and create empty. So it's gonna be empty. So and then you drag menu in the empty. So I did it already. So I'm gonna delete this and go back to the start button. Drag the game object that we make and go to menu and go to menu U. So gonna hit start now. So now if you see, if we click on the button, it starts the game. So you see this cube and start, it starts the game, and we can play, as you can see. So it's a simple game, we can do more things. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go back to scene. So save it, and I'm gonna drag this right here, delete this. So what, and we're gonna go to our cube. So now I don't know what is this, why is this even happening. So if I go like this, I don't know why. What I'm gonna do is gonna do a little bit more of those, and I'm gonna drag these a little bit back. So I did this, and you can do whatever you want. You can duplicate this, so you can jump, and yeah. What do I want to do now is, I'm gonna make the menu a little bit better. So go to game menu, save it, and hit on the image, and like this. So how did I do this? I just go right click and then go to UI, edit text. Now the first time I edit image, and then drag the text in the image so it can show, I can see it, and the button too in the image. So this just very simple. What we are gonna do now is, I'm gonna make settings, a simple settings. So we're gonna go to button, duplicate it and drag it down. I'll make it a little bit smaller like this, and then the text too, we're gonna delete this first and then go to text and write settings, and we're gonna make it smaller. So now if we click on the settings, we want to open the settings and make this all away. So what we're gonna do is go to button, add a new one, and then add these all. So we're gonna make a new empty, gonna drag those in the empty and the game object, I mean. And then now if we go to settings and then drag the game object and then we hit set pool. So if we now hit play and click on settings, it will, these things will disappear. So what we are going to do now is make a new empty, and this empty not in the empty, we're going to make this like this. So there's two empties game objects. Gonna name this empty, or gonna name it settings, and this is gonna be menu like this. So we're gonna go to settings and make a new text, and we're gonna name this we're gonna just disable the menu because we want to settings. So we're gonna make right here what we're gonna make. The first thing is back, I think, and then we're gonna make the other thing. So add a button, give it a new thing, new, I don't know what it's called. So drag the menu into it and go to game object, set active, and I think it's done. So we're gonna go put it right there, and we are gonna name it not button, we're gonna name it back. So now we're gonna make it a little bit bigger like this. So if we click on this button, the back button, we will go back to menu, I think. No, and because we need to click on this, and now if we go and click the back button, it will go back. So what is happening right here, this back button doesn't want to go, I don't know why. Oh, we need to add another one, and we go settings and then go to game object, set active, and dot check this thing, I don't know what it's called. So yeah, so if we hit back you can see, and if we hit settings you can see it does not show the settings because we can go to menu and button, button one, and then we're gonna make a new one and go to settings, set active, and check this box. So if we hit play now and go back, you can see there is the settings, and we can go to settings, we can do this, and we can start the game. So it's so easy and simple. So now what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is quality, and we're gonna make it bigger like that. We're gonna center it in the middle, gonna make it black, drag it to the top, and now we're gonna make something. So drag it right there. You know what, I'm gonna make it volume. So volume, and then we are gonna make like the sound. So what I'm gonna do to volume, I'm gonna add to it a slider. So go right here, UI, and then slider. So we're gonna drag it down, or gonna make it out the text. So gonna drag it down, and here's our slider. You can see it. I don't want to add another things like color or things. I'm gonna let this like this. We can write script for the sound, but I don't have any sound for the game now. We're gonna let this like this, and then we're gonna do is go to menu back, and then hit make a quit button. It's really easy. So duplicate this button, drag it down, and then go to the text, make it a little bit up like this, make it a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna go text and then I'm gonna write quit. So it's really easy like this. Gonna go back to button like this. So we're gonna make a we're gonna go to menu script and we're gonna write a new one. So public void, and I'm gonna write quit 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 you, I don't know, but you can name it whatever you want, so it doesn't matter. And now we're gonna write application dot quit like this. So control save and go back to Unity. Now we go to quit button and then we go down, all the way down. Gonna make these away, we don't need those. And now gonna drag game object and go to menu and select quit. Now I can't quit the game because I didn't build it as a game. But if we build it, if we go to file and I'm gonna show you, so you can see quit, it does not do anything, doesn't do anything. The settings, we have the volume and start, we can start the game. So now if we go to file and build settings and build the game, so what it's gonna do, gonna build the game as a game, not as a Unity project. And if you build the game and hit the quit button, it will quit the game like so. I think this all for the video, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications button, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, you can dislike. And yeah, hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something, and bye.